In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple wireframe on your board using the wireframe library in Chrome. To get started, open your board in Google Chrome. Using Chrome is important here because it helps make sure the board and all of its built-in tools load properly and run smoothly. Once your board is open, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct workspace and that everything has finished loading before moving on. Next, look over to the left side menu and click on More Apps. This is where you'll find additional tools you can add to your board to make planning and design much easier. From that menu, launch the wireframe library. When it opens, you'll have access to a collection of ready-made interface elements that are designed to help you quickly sketch out layouts without needing to build everything from scratch. After opening the wireframe library, the next step is to choose a device screen template. You'll typically see options such as mobile, tablet, and desktop. Pick the one that best matches the type of experience you want to design. For example, if you're planning a phone app layout, choose mobile. If you're outlining a website, desktop may be the better choice. Choosing the right template at the beginning helps you work with the correct proportions and gives your design a more realistic structure from the start. Once your screen template is on the board, you can begin building your wireframe by dragging components directly onto the frame. This is where the layout starts to come together. You can add common interface elements like buttons, search bars, and headers, then position them where they make the most sense for your design. As you place each component, think about how a user would move through the screen and which elements should stand out first. Try to keep your layout clean and easy to understand. A wireframe is meant to show structure and functionality, so it doesn't need to look polished or fully designed yet. Focus on placement, spacing, and hierarchy. If something feels crowded, adjust the arrangement so the screen is easier to scan. As you continue dragging in components, your board will gradually turn into a clear visual plan for your app or website. This approach is fast, flexible, and especially useful when you want to test ideas before moving into full design. And that's how to start a wireframe using your board's wireframe library in Chrome.